Okay, I almost forgot. We do have a drawing lesson for today on Monday. I'm kind of running out of things that I really am interested in teaching you how to draw. So we'll see how long in the future we do these drawing lessons, but this is called it's called the Queendom, but anyway, we're just gonna call it a city, okay? So you actually start, let me get my black. You start with a horizon line, okay? Don't forget that on the bottom, you put your name and the date down there, okay? So you can look back in years to come. So let's say this is your paper and you just do a horizon line, okay? We're gonna work on the left part of this and then we'll work over to the right. So from the left part, we're gonna do kind of a tall line in the center of that left part. And then over here, we'll do a shorter one, much shorter. And over here, we'll do one that's about that same size, okay? Then you're going to connect the tops like that, okay? And then from the center of that top left line, I think I want to make that line a little taller, a little less of a slant, okay? There you go, a little bit taller. Then from the center, I'm going to draw a line that comes straight up. The center of the other line, there'll be a line that comes straight up. But from the middle, we will make a line that goes up higher than the other two. And guess what we're going to do? We're going to connect those tops. Okay, we're going to go one more. It's kind of a shorter, taller, connect. They put a little flagpole at the top, okay? And if we do that, we can go like that. Let's see if we can do this. Oh, how did I do that? Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. Oh, let me see. I'm forgetting how to do that. No. Nope. It was round, around, like that, right? And then we came up. Ooh, what am I doing? You guys might remember more than I do. Oh yeah, that was it, I think. Something like that. Mine's not very good. You can say forget that one and you can go back. I know our flag was come around and then we curl out that way, then we come around, we curl out, do the line in front, the peekaboo, the line in front, the peekaboo, the line in front. So it was more like that. So as you can see, that's a mess. So I'm going to try it one more time. Okay. Something like that, right? And then we can curl on around. Something like that. All right, you can play with that later. Okay, and then right from the top of this first line we made over here, we're going to make a line coming up. off of that. Then on the ground, we're going to make one next to it, but it's taller. And then we'll make another one that height. Okay, this one is taller, not a ton taller, but taller, not twice as tall. And then we connect. Okay. Something's wrong. Let me see. Connect. I left something out. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. It looks like, let's try that. Looks like this one is about the same. And then it comes down. That still doesn't look right. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Up, taller, down, doot, 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 doot. That's right. Let's keep going. So, from here, I'm going to draw another line. Next to that, I'm going to draw another line. That's nice and tall. And here. And then I connect. What I think I did here was I made this one should have been closer over there, like that. Okay, a little bit more like that. And then little line, still doing that, little line, taller line. It's like buildings that are behind one another. Okay. And a little bit shorter. So that connects, that comes down. So does that kind of look like buildings taking place in the background? Now they did one over here. They did a line coming up. Another one on the ground. I'm having a hard time making a straight line. I believe that one came up a little bit taller, and then there was one a little bit shorter down there. So there's another building. And to make them look a little bit more like buildings, they kind of put what looks like some windows on those sides. And they shaded, super shaded, this side. Okay. My pen's kind of going out on me. But they shaded the left side of each of these buildings. Your pencil will look better. Shaded. So you can't really see the windows there because they shaded it. They shaded. So it's just kind of how you can build what looks like a city. Shaded. And shaded. Okay, if I stand back, it looks a little bit better, right? Okay, so that's how you can kind of build what looks like a city. And I'm sure you can go on if you wanted to, and a taller, and a little bit shorter. And you could connect those and continue and do the same thing. It could go on and on and on and on and on and on and on, couldn't it? But I think we will stop right there. Alrighty? And then now we're going to do our history. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. If you want me to save it or you need to pause, go ahead because I'm about to erase it.